Welcome guys, Sizosake here, Sizosake Academy, and this is the global classroom. We are given here in trigonometry, we are given to calculate, that's the instruction we are given, calculate the solution set of the following equation, and we are given a limitation, a range, where our theta must be less than or equal to 360 degrees, and also greater than or equal to 0 degrees. So it's one revolution. It's from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. It's one revolution like this. This is what we are given. Cos 2 theta is equal to 0.416. So firstly, we need to get rid of cos, this cos theta, therefore introduce cos inverse of cos arc, or arc cos 2 theta is equal to cos arc 0.416, where this and this will cancel. There's a video where I explain these things. Check it, where I explain why we have to cancel. It's because of the exponents. 2 theta is equal to, so 2 theta is equal to, then we use our calculator. We are not given a restriction in using a calculator to find this angle. So what we do, we say the 0.416, we go second function, we go cos. The answer, the angle we are getting is 65.42 degrees. I've rounded off to 2 decimal places. So we are given, this is the y value, this is a function, and we use the ratio and the function to find the angle. So the angle we are getting here is 2 theta is equal to 65.42 degrees. Now the question that we ask is, where is cos positive? We know cos is positive in the first and fourth quadrant. So what we do here now, we divide here by 2, we divide by 2, therefore theta is equal to 65.42, we divide it by 2, it gives us 32.71 degrees. So this is for our first quadrant here. Here is our first quadrant. So theta in our first quadrant is 32.71 degrees. But we know that theta is not only positive in the first quadrant, but also in the fourth quadrant, first and fourth. So in the fourth quadrant, we will go 2 theta is equal to, in the fourth quadrant, we say 360 degrees less this value we found for the first quadrant. 360 less 65.42 degrees. For 2 theta, remember, for 2 theta here, we found this angle. This is for theta, 1 theta, but we are not given 1 theta, we are given 2 thetas. So when we work with finding an angle in a ratio or in a quadrant, we use 2 theta, not theta. So it's 2 theta is equal to 360 minus 65.42, which is equal to 360 minus 65.42 gives us 294.58. We've got 2 theta, then we divide by 2, we divide by 2, cancels, theta is equal to, and divide this by 2, is 147.29 degrees. So this is the first and this is the second. Maybe I might as well just first quadrant. Let me get a better pen. This one is giving up now. So we have one first quadrant And here we've got, this is a second quadrant. I'll leave it like that. So this is a second quadrant. But remember, we are given 2 thetas, so which means it's got a first theta, which is the first revolution, moving from here once. That's the theta 1. Theta 1. And then we've covered theta 1, but we are given 2 thetas, so we need to do another second theta. A second theta. But we use that very second theta in the very same quadrants. We don't do all quadrants. We go back to say it's the second theta now, but it's in the first quadrant because that's where cos is positive, and also the fourth quadrant. So those 2 also count into that. So we say here we've got 2 theta is equal to 1 revolution. We've covered the first one. So it's another revolution. When I say 1 revolution, I don't mean the first one. I just mean it's another revolution plus I'm just saying it's a revolution plus the same angle we are given, which is 65.42 degrees, because we're working with 2 theta. So what we do here is 2 theta is equal to 360 degrees plus, now remember the first one we used 360 degrees minus. Now we're using 360 degrees plus because it's a next one. So we've covered the first one. Now we are doing the second one, which is this one. So it's the second one, but it starts from 360. So it's 360 plus the angle now in the same quadrants that we worked out the first time, because it's positive. So it's 360 plus 65.42, which is equal to 360 plus 65.42 is equal to 425.42. 2 theta divided by 2, we divide by 2, cancels. Then we find our theta in that first quadrant, but in the second revolution, in the additional revolution. So it's 425.42 divided by the 2. It's 212.71 degrees. That is what we find. I should have done my writing and squeezed it on this side, but I'll try and squash this one using a different color pen. So this time it would be 2, because it's 2 quadrants, right? So this time it would be 2 theta is equal to 1 rev plus, but remember now it goes right round into the 4th quadrant, right? It's the 4th quadrant, which would be equal to 2 theta is equal to 1 revolution plus 65 degrees. This is 65 degrees, and then this one will be 360 degrees minus a 65. Let me shorten my writing. Let me bring it closer. Should have been smart, and let me put a line here. So it's 2 theta is equal to 1 revolution plus 360 degrees minus 65.42, which is 2 theta is equal to 360 degrees plus 360 minus 65. 360 minus 65.42 or 360 minus 65.42 is 294. So this is, maybe let me put it in black color, just this 294.58 degrees. These are degrees, and then we add the two together, so we still say 2 theta is equal to 360 plus 294.58 is equal to 654.58. We have 2 theta, therefore we divide by 2 both sides, where it cancels, and we have theta is equal to this divided by 2. It should give me 327.29. So these are the angles we get. It's first, that is 2.71, second 147.29 degrees, the third one is 212.71 degrees, and the last one is 327.29 degrees. What this means is it's within the range we are given. Therefore, all these angles are accepted. Had one of the angles been above 360, that angle we would not have taken, because it's beyond our limit. Our limit says we must be less than or equal to 360 and greater than or equal to 0 degrees. And here we are right there. We are less than or equal to 360, and also we are greater than or equal to 0 degrees. We are just in between. So these are the answers. So it's answer 1. Therefore theta, if I may put it here with this color, theta at the end to find the solution set, theta, that's what they are looking for, 32.71 degrees, 147.29 degrees, 212.71 degrees, and the last one is 327.29 degrees. This is a degree, this is a degree. You mustn't forget to put in degrees. So this is what they are asking for. Calculate the solution set. This is the solution set. This is where it is. Theta is equal to 32.17 degrees, also 147.29 degrees, 212.71 degrees, 327.29 degrees. You can see it's in all angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's in all quadrants. It's within that frame. Well guys, thank you for watching, and God bless you.